Hello guys and welcome to Crypto Dealers. My name is Andy and today I want to show you a project called Quantum Ape Club. So let me show you what it's all about. First of all, very important and interesting fact, you can earn 5% daily, guys. 5%, okay? How does it work? There is an NFT collection, guys, okay? Let me show you. And you can buy those NFTs with BUSD, okay? So every NFT will give you 5% daily rewards, okay? And there are different price levels. I mean, starting at 50 BUSD, going up to 80,000 BUSD, okay? So, and then you can see the daily income, because you get 5%. For example, if you buy this one for 500 BUSD, you will get 25 BUSD daily, monthly 750, half year 4,500. Guys, of course, we never know how long projects like this work, but that's how it looks like right now, okay guys? If you would buy, for example, this one, 7,500 BUSD, daily income, 375, okay? Monthly, 11,250, half year income, 67,500. Okay guys, but always take this with a grain of salt because we never know how long projects like this work, okay? Because basically you have to understand, if you mint an NFT, you buy this, you pay this amount, okay? So then all this BUSD that are in the contract will be used to pay existing users, so to say, their daily income, okay? So, but once this amount is like almost zero, so then of course they will not pay out anything. But as long as there's enough money in the contract, yeah, you will get those daily rewards, 5% daily, okay guys? Yeah, let me show you. There's also a referral rewards program, as you can see. But let me show you guys the NFTs. So right now, they're actually on sale, okay? Because you can see this one, for example, the Quantum Ape Ice. The original price was 30,000 BUSD. Right now, you can get it for 27,000 BUSD, okay? And the price you pay for it should actually not somehow make your rewards smaller just because you pay a lower price, okay guys? So you can see here the most expensive one, 80,000, you can get it for 64,000 right now, okay? Yeah, they look somehow funny or cool, I don't know if you like them or not. But anyway, I would say we do this to make money, okay guys? So here you can see, yeah, what you could earn daily, okay guys? But as always guys, yeah, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just here to show you those opportunities, yeah? And always do your own research before you invest your own money, guys, yeah? So interesting project, okay? So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, put them down in the comments and see you.